This is the 7-piece set of US and metric measuring cups by Simply Gourmet. And these are awesome because they also have it engraved here as well. You're going to receive 6 of these cups plus this circle so you can attach them all together so they all stay in place. And what's nice is they're stackable all inside each other. You're going to be receiving 1/8 of a cup, 1/4 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, 2/3 of a cup, half a cup, as well as 3/4 cup and 1 cup too. Perfect! This is also rust resistant and would make a perfect gift to give to somebody or to use for yourself. These are also easy to clean by hand, or you can use it in the dishwasher too. I was sent this from Simply Gourmet and I absolutely love it. Really takes the guesswork out of cooking. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.